How to get rid of onion smell, detailed guide. Are you tired of smelling like an onion after a cooking spree in the kitchen? Do your hands and utensils still retain that strong smell even after washing them multiple times? In this video, we'll show you how to get rid of onion smell using some tried and true methods. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that smell. Get rid of it! Wash your hands with soap and water. This helps remove any onion residue that may be clinging to your skin. You can use any type of soap, but it's best to use a fragrance-free soap that won't leave behind any additional scent. Start by wetting your hands with warm water. Next, apply a small amount of soap to your hands and lather them up. Make sure to get in between your fingers and under your nails. Rub your hands together for at least 20 seconds, or until you feel that the onion smell has been lifted. Once you've thoroughly washed your hands, rinse them with warm water. Dry them with a clean towel. Avoid using a towel that has been used to wipe up any onion residue, as this can transfer the smell back to your hands. Rinse your mouth. This will help remove any onion residue from your mouth and reduce the smell. To rinse your mouth, fill a glass with warm water. Take a mouthful of water and swish it around in your mouth for at least 30 seconds. Spit out the water and repeat the process until the glass is empty. If you prefer to use mouthwash, look for one that contains zinc or chlorhexidine, as these ingredients can help to neutralize smells. Follow the instructions on the label to use the mouthwash correctly. Another option is to chew on a piece of gum or eat a breath mint to freshen your breath. This won't necessarily eliminate the onion smell completely, but it can help mask it temporarily. Note that rinsing your mouth or using mouthwash won't completely eliminate the onion smell from your body. The sulfur compounds in onions can be absorbed into your bloodstream and then excreted through your breath and skin. So, the smell may persist even after rinsing your mouth. However, rinsing your mouth can certainly help reduce the smell and freshen your breath. Clean your cutting board. Onion smell can easily transfer to your cutting board. Therefore, it's important to clean your cutting board after each use. Start by washing the cutting board with warm, soapy water. Use a sponge or scrub brush to remove any remnants or stains. Rinse the cutting board with warm water to remove any soap residue. Next, mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the cutting board, making sure to cover the entire surface. Let the solution sit on the cutting board for a few minutes to allow it to penetrate the surface and neutralize the onion smell. After a few minutes, wipe the cutting board with a clean cloth or paper towel to remove any excess solution. Rinse the cutting board with warm water to remove any remaining residue. Allow the cutting board to air dry completely before using it again. Wooden cutting boards are more prone to absorbing smells than plastic cutting boards. If you have a wooden cutting board, you may want to avoid cutting onions on it altogether. Alternatively, you can use a separate plastic cutting board specifically for onions. Use stainless steel. If you're trying to remove the onion smell from your hands, wet your hands with cold water. Next, rub your hands on a stainless steel object, such as a stainless steel soap bar, spoon, or the side of a stainless steel sink. Rub your hands together vigorously for at least 30 seconds. However, be careful not to injure your hands in the process. Rinse your hands with cold water and dry them with a clean towel. This works because the stainless steel clings to the sulfur molecules that are responsible for the smell. This transfers the smell onto the metal and off your hands. By the way, this also works on other objects apart from your hands. Here are more examples. If you're trying to remove onion smell from a utensil, such as a knife or cutting board, rub the affected area with a stainless steel object, such as a spoon or the back of a knife. Rub the utensil vigorously for at least 30 seconds, making sure to cover all areas. Rinse the utensil with cold water and dry it with a clean towel. If you're trying to remove the onion smell from a countertop, rub a stainless steel object on the countertop following the process described when getting rid of onion smell on utensils. Next, wipe the countertop with a clean, damp cloth. Use lemon. If you're trying to remove onion smell from your hands, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a bowl of cold water. Soak your hands in the lemon water for a few minutes, making sure to cover all areas of your hands. Rub your hands together to help break down the onion smell. Rinse your hands with cold water and dry them with a clean towel. If you're trying to remove onion smell from a utensil, such as a knife or cutting board, squeeze the juice of half a lemon onto the affected area. Use a sponge or scrub brush to scrub the utensil with lemon juice, making sure to cover all areas. Thereafter, rinse the utensil with cold water and dry it with a clean towel. Lemon juice can also be used to remove onion smell from surfaces, such as countertops. To do this, squeeze the juice of half a lemon onto the affected area. Use a sponge or scrub brush to scrub the surface with the lemon juice, making sure to cover the whole area. Let the lemon juice sit on the surface for a few minutes to allow it to penetrate the surface and neutralize the smell. After a few minutes, wipe the surface with a clean cloth or paper towel to remove any excess lemon juice. If you don't have fresh lemons, you can also use lemon juice from a bottle or a pre-made lemon juice spray. Use vinegar. If you're trying to remove onion smell from a surface, such as a countertop, mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the affected area, making sure to cover all areas. Let the solution sit on the surface for a few minutes to allow it to penetrate the surface and neutralize the smell. After 5 to 10 minutes, wipe the surface with a clean cloth or paper towel to remove any excess solution. If you're trying to remove onion smell from a utensil, such as a knife or cutting board, mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a bowl. Soak the utensil in the vinegar solution for a few minutes, making sure that it is completely submerged. After 5 to 10 minutes, remove the utensil from the vinegar solution, rinse it with cold water, and dry it with a clean towel. Vinegar has a strong smell of its own, however, this smell will dissipate once the vinegar dries off. You can also add a few drops of essential oils, such as lemon or lavender, to the vinegar solution to help mask the vinegar smell. Use baking soda. If you're trying to remove onion smell from a surface, such as a countertop, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda onto the affected area. Use a sponge or scrub brush to scrub the surface with the baking soda, making sure to cover all areas. Let the baking soda sit on the surface for a few minutes to allow it to absorb the smell. After a few minutes, wipe the surface with a clean cloth or paper towel to remove any excess baking soda. If you're trying to remove onion smell from a utensil, such as a knife or cutting board, mix baking soda and water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the utensil and use a scrub brush or sponge, making sure to cover all areas. Let the paste sit on the utensil for 5 to 10 minutes to allow it to absorb the smell. After a few minutes, rinse the utensil with cold water and dry it with a clean towel. Baking soda can also be used to remove onion smell from your hands. Start by wetting your hands with cold water. Sprinkle baking soda all over your hands and rub them together. Let the baking soda sit on your hands for about 5 to 10 few minutes to allow it to absorb the smell. Thereafter, rinse your hands with cold water and dry them with a clean towel. Use coffee grounds. If you're trying to remove onion smell from a room, add coffee grounds to a bowl or open container and place it in the affected room. Allow the coffee grounds to sit in the room for several hours or overnight before removing them. The coffee grounds should absorb the onion smell in the room, leaving a pleasant coffee scent behind. You can also try placing the bowl or container near the source of the onion smell, such as a cutting board or trash can. If you don't have coffee grounds, you can also use other natural smell absorbers, such as activated charcoal, baking soda, or white vinegar. Just follow the same instructions we gave for coffee grounds when using these other smell absorbers. Use air purifiers. Air purifiers are designed to filter out airborne particles and can be effective in removing onion smell from the air. Purchase an air purifier with a HEPA filter if you don't have one. HEPA filters are designed to capture small particles, including odor-causing molecules. Place the air purifier in the affected room and let it run for several hours or overnight to filter out the onion smell from the air. Replace the HEPA filter in the air purifier regularly, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.